Thank you, ma'am, and good afternoon to everyone, to our students, and also to our pastors here. Good afternoon. So we were busy campaigning but I'd like to share a little bit of knowledge. No? So, right now we need to have a good balance, no? Life-work balance. Kami empleyado doon it's hard, no? But doon strive din ako. Naman sa eskwela, we think sometimes na your school means a lot to you, but it's not really all of your world. After school, yung another world. So don't get so serious sa work nyo and sa love life nyo again. Minsan akala nyo is yung loved one is the one, hindi pala. So don't get depressed over it. Your studies, your love life, is just part of your growing up. Boys, marami pa dyan susunod. Girls, marami pa. And your grades, nobody will remember your grades when you go to work. Makapasal ka ba o hindi? And you just laugh at it. It's just a memory. Pero ngayon parang importante yung grades. No? Parang it's mean everything to you. But I tell you, nobody asks your grades when you are at work. No one. It's how good you become, how good a person you are, how good you relate to each other. So, let's talk about mental health. It's a state of our well-being, how we react to people, how we react to situation. Dapat kalma, di ba? Kalma lang tayo pare. So, the situation is how you react. Kung hindi ka man react, okay lang. Kung mag-react ka, yun. So, like surveys na yun, maraming survey, pero hindi kami sa survey. Ang kamido, pwede kami sa full line survey, pero sa walk-in survey, nanalo pa rin kami. So, ganun talaga. Depende how you look at things, how you react. So, it's emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we expect, feel, react, and act. How we handle stress related to others and make choices. It's a vital part of our life. So, pag feel mo na talo ka, and you don't know how to react well, talo ka talaga. So, dapat palakasin yung loob mo para ma-balance mo yung things. Minsan, nobody can help you, although there are people who can help us, our parents, our friends, our pastors. But it's really you who help yourself, balance your thinking. Ikaw mismo, mag-alaala sa sarili mo. You know how to self-talk yourself. Wala yan. Dilari lang yan, okay lang yan. Daanan ko na yan. Naka-experience kayo na gano'n. Minsan galitan kayo ng parents nyo, means so much to you. Pangalalan yan, hindi galit yan, di ba? Yun. Grades nyo, parang stressful na talaga. Alam nyo, iba, nag-depress ka lang sa mga grades. It doesn't mean a thing. Importante makapasal kayo. Yung boyfriend, girlfriends, marami yan. So, 1 in 5 children have mental health issues. So, pasalamat tayo, wala tayo sa mental issues, dito tayo ngayon. So, it will affect their success in school and relationship with the group. Also, ako ng empleyado, siguro mga problematic dito ng empleyado, may mental health issues. Maawa na lang tayo sa mga problematic na people. Sometimes we complain, bakit ganun siya? Palaging negative, palaging may reklamo. So dapat, imbis mainis tayo sa kanya, we will look at it as siguro may problema siya, may mental problem siya, ay kawawa naman siya. So tayo na lang mag-understand and help him. Hindi natin alam yung journey niya lang, may problem din sila. Bakit ganun yung personality nila? May trauma, may experiences, may problema. So imbis na makakita tayo, mag-irritate tayo sa biyanan, ay kawawa siya. So, mental health na treatable and early prevention is important because hindi natin gusto na mag-rate suicides and all. Next. So, the students may be experiencing mental health, may low self-esteem, feeling of being a failure or not worthy, increased irritability, causing out frustrations. So, low self-esteem, paminsan na-feel natin na bakit low self-esteem tayo? Wala tayong pera, hindi tayo maganda. Ano ba? Ano ang self-esteem natin? Nag-fail tayo. Walang jowa. Pinalitan. iniwan. Minsan, rejection, no? Pero rejection doesn't mean na you're not a good person. It's just that na may influence na siya. Just like sa aming politicians, not all the time people will like us, di ba? Some are voting for us, some are not. But it doesn't mean we are not good. It's just that pamilya niya to, kamag-anak niya to, o may utang na loob siya doon. So kung nireject ka mo, doesn't mean na hindi ka iwapa. It's just that may other reasons. No? May reasons yan. So rejection doesn't mean na you're not good. You're bad. Sa amin, dami kami rejection and filtered na kami. Lahat na rejection, alam na namin sa radyo, sa magazine. Sabihan ko nila hindi kami ganito. Pero sabi ko, hindi maganda talaga ako. Sabi, ikaw na lang bahala mag-ano sa sarili mo. I am good, I am maganda. Para ikaw na mag-ano sa sarili mo. Being a failure or not worthy. Minsan gano'n, no? Ano niyan, pag nag-live na kamo sa ulihin, you have a family, ay nahirapan kayo mag-raise ng family nyo, yun, minsan, failure kayo. So dapat mag-aral talaga kayo, makatrabaho kayo, makanegosyo kayo, para when you raise a family, hindi ka mo mag-feel na worthy, na not worthy. Because maraming needs pag mag-asawa kayo, wala kayong trabaho, yung asawa nyo walang trabaho, hirap talaga. So dapat prepared kayo to feel worthy. Increase irritability, no? So irritable ng mga tao, yung may mga mental problem, palagi nagagalit, mood swing, and extreme sadness for long period of time. Palaging nasubo, yun, possible na may mental health problem. Next. So, kinanglan may mental health training tayo, like ganito, may talk tayo, educate parents and students and signs and symptoms. Kanina yung signs and symptoms, yung hindi makatulog, no? Isa pa rin yung irritability. Have a place student can go to talk and strong open door policy. Sa school ito, good physical health and mental health part of the curriculum. So you are lucky, invited ka mo sa atin na talk about this. So first to know, how to improve our mental health, self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Mamaya ito kay Pastor, self-awareness. You have to know yourself. You are not perfect, but you have your strength, you have your weakness, and it's okay. You have to accept that. Hindi ka naman masyadong guwapa, pero mabait ka naman. Sabi nila, ano yung girlfriend mo? Guwapa ba? Hindi naman, mabait lang. Ibig sabihin ng pangit. Joke yan, joke na. So yung girlfriend, either maganda or mabait. Kung mabait daw, pangit. Joke lang. Pero naman talaga na mabait at guwapa, di ba? So when you recognize yourself, no, yung awareness mo, yung emotions mo, mga trigger factors mo, sad ka, alam mo, maka-build ka ng resilience. Ganito pala ako, ngayon I'm not happy, but tomorrow I'll be happy. Emotional regulation. Dapat i-regulate mo yung emotions mo. Hindi ka naman masyadong so happy, so sad. Balance lang. Merong tao na grabe talaga pag happy, di ba? Pag sad, grabe naman. So dapat huwag kayo naman. Minsan poker face din tayo. Sino nang poker? Poker face din minsan. Maraming emotions. Kasi alam mo, nalipas yan eh. Nalipas yung lahat na yan ang problema. Mindfulness. So mindfulness, aware tayo in the present. So yung i-face lang natin yung problem for today. Kasi kung i-mind pa natin yung problem tomorrow, problem previous days, ma-overwhelm tayo. So one day at a time lang. Ito na lang muna ngayon na subject natin. Ito na lang muna ang exam natin, focus natin. So paisipin pa natin yung iba, hindi natin kakayanan. So meditation, no? So also prayers. So as Catholic, we were advised, or whatever religion, we were advised to prayer, proper meditation. Especially in the early morning, it will guide you, it will strengthen you, it will encourage you. So sa apps natin, maraming apps in the morning, early morning meditation of gratefulness, of healing, Marami dyan sa apps, 5 minutes na meditations can help you, can strengthen you to face your day. You will pray every morning. So we have to meditate in the evening also. Before going to sleep, you have to think, what are the good things that I have done? What are the bad things na hindi ko na pagmanon? And feel sorry for it, to learn from it, and meditate to help you, to guide you. In the morning, meditate ka man. What gusto mo encourage ka, ano brahon mo, no? You pray for strength and courage and wisdom. Every morning, gano'n yan. Ginagawa nyo rin yan. Pag buktaw kasi, cellphone ka. Diba? Ang tanong, pag gumising kayo, ano una hinawakan nyo? Ang iba-iba daw yung voice, iba daw hinawakan. Cellphone na. Yung girl, cellphone, ano ba? Your advice atin, huwag muna mag-exercise tayo, mag-stretch tayo, mag-drink muna tayo ng water, mag-meditate muna tayo bago mag-cellphone. Kasi sa meditation, sa cellphone, maraming dapat gawin. Like ka, mag-anon ka. So hindi mo na nagawa yung stretching mo, yung exercise mo, yung meditation mo, doon ka na sa trabaho. So huwag muna yung cellphone natin. Pero minsan excited ka, nagsagot na ba siya? Ano kaya sabi niya? So, maganda pa may meditation tayo. So, na-discover ko yun, maraming meditation sa cellphone natin. Evening meditation, morning meditation. Maganda siya. It improves mental clarity, reduce stress, and a sense of peace. Another is healthy lifestyle choices. No? Sa doctor, kailangan din healthy choices tayo. Exercise. Ano yung exercise nyo? Rushing to school, walking, mahirap at your age, no? Exercise pa kayo? Kasi 7 o'clock na yung klase nyo, no? Pero you try to have a walking, no? Ako, I'm trying to have a walk 3,000 to 5,000 steps a day. Very good na yung campaigning kami. Pag hindi, nakukuha namin yan sa plaza, sa TNT Port, nag-walking talaga. May tracker tayo sa cellphone, di ba? Yun. May minimum is 3,000, 5,000. Sa inyo, dapat 10,000 walking nyo. Ano kaya nyo? 20 a day steps. Oh, very good. Hindi ka napagod yan. Pagod tayo yan. Hindi ka na nag-aral. Hindi ka na lang ikot-ikot. Very good, no, pag ano, kasi needed natin yan.
100 steps.
Pag na-exercise tayo yung mga moods natin, and improve yung anxiety and depression natin. Sleep. Dapat makasleep din tayo 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Kasi poor sleep can lead to anxiety and depression, and adequate sleep can lead to good mood, energy, ability to manage stress. Ako, at old age, you know what, we sleep at 11, we woke up at 4 o'clock. No? Sa mga old age, di ba sa mother nyo, aga pa nagigising. Oh. Ngayon, enjoy your sleep. Sobra pa kayong sleep, no? 7 to 8 hours a day of sleep. Kasi to have a healthy body, kailangan natin. Pero kung sleep nyo, nag-games lang kayo, hindi maganda yan. Iba sa games lang palagi. Sino nag-games dito? Oo. Iba nag-chat. Kung hindi naman purposeful yung waking up nyo, huwag kayo mag-over na wait, no? 7 to 8 hours a day. Sleep at 10 and wake up at 7, 6.
Sleep at 6:30.
Kaya may study pa kayo, no? Dami pang study. Compromise talaga, no? Nang-schooling kami ng medicine. Grabe, kunti lang sleep. At hindi pa rin maubos yung studyhan mo, hindi mo pa rin maubos. Kaya pag exam pa, swerte na yung lalabas sa tingin, di ba? Hindi mo rin lahat maubos eh. Nutrition, no? Balanced diet, no? So ngayon, alam ko yung mga estudyante natin, kung ano lang makikita nila, yung fast food doon na lang. Pero yung basic natin na pinapahala ko, is yung pinggang Pinoy. When we eat, we see to it that we have 1/4 carbohydrates. Hindi na lahat ng carbohydrates, tapos isang itlog. 1/4 lang yung carbohydrates natin, yung rice natin. 1/4 lang yung protein natin. Chicken, meat, fish, egg, 1/4 lang yan. And 1/4 din ang fruits and vegetables. 1/4 yung fruits. Tayo, hindi tayo nag-effort to eat fruits. Hindi tayo nag-effort to buy fruits for our family. Kasi mura lang naman yung banana, ika naman. Pero hindi natin na alaala na kailangan natin yan. Kasi yun yung vitamins and minerals sa fruits. Saka 1/4, more than 1/4, 33% should be vegetables. Kasi kailangan natin yung fibers pang papuno ng tiyan. Hindi na natin alaala na marami tayong dalho. Kasi pag hindi napuno yung tiyan natin, we tend to eat more rice para mapuno. Pero kung may vegetables tayo, marami tayong fruits, yun na nag-fill ng tiyan natin. Para hindi tayo kumain ng maraming rice. Alam niyo, pag maraming rice naman, diabetes naman tayo, di ba? Na-realize. Maraming protein naman at mga baboy, cholesterol naman tayo. Kung wala naman pagkain, television naman tayo, TV, di ba? Dapat it's complete balance. Kailangan natin a little of fat, kailangan din natin. Good fat, no? Kailangan din natin sa mga olive oil, sa mga fruits, avocado, kailangan pa rin natin fats. Tapos, water, no? And milk, kailangan natin. Kayo, bata pa kayo, mag-drink kayo ng milk, no? Para yung bones niyo ma-strengthen. Kasi pag hindi kayo sanay sa milk, you cannot tolerate milk, and when you grow old, ma-fracture kayo, pag natumba, dali tayo ma-fracture. So, you try to drink milk. So, may mga program ngayon sa science high school na encourage na mag-drink ng milk. Pero syempre, alam mo, mahal naman ng milk, di ba? Paalin kayo mag-drink ng milk, ang mamahal-mahal ng milk ngayon. Pero gina-encourage siya ngayon kasi at old age, kailangan ninyo calcium. So, building resilience, no? Build tayo ng resilience, coping mechanism, learn how to cope with stress. Dapat talk to a friend, to a pastor, have a hobby, relaxation, or taking a break. So, ano coping mechanism niyo? Pag stress kayo, ano ginagawa niyo?
Chismisan.
Coffee. Iba ano?
Chismis.
Chismis. Iba ano? Iba katulog. Ice cream.
Kasi jeep.
Iba talk to a friend, to a pastor. Minsan nahiya kayo mag-talk sa other friends. Why? Baka chismis pa yung problema natin. Pastor na lang kayo to. Sa akin ng pare. Nahiya tayo minsan, di ba? Paminsan, petty naman yung mga problems natin, istorya pa natin, na-chismis patuloy. Hindi naman big thing, di ba? So, coping mechanism, gratitude practice, yun din sa atin. You have a gratitude journal. Write down things you are happy, grateful for. Na lagi natin iniisip yung problema, yung kulang sa atin. Ba't naisip nyo ba yung blessings nyo? Healthy kayo, pretty kayo, may work kayo. Nag-thank you ba kayo niyan? Ka-school kayo. Naisip nyo palagi wala akong pera, hindi ako maganda, na-fail ako, wala akong jowa. Pero hindi natin naisip, we are blessed. We have reached this age. Mas kitambok, mas kitaya. Basta feeling ko ang pagyapon, di ba? Hindi natin napasalamatan, no? Kasi when we realize we have more to thank for and less na i-complain natin. Pero may mga tao talaga na lahat kino-complain. I don't like to be with that person. Gusto nyo makipag-friends sa complainer na tao. Ayoko. No? Kasi maraming kong problema, dagdagan ka ng problema niya, mabigat. So, kung complainer ka, wala kang friends kasi ayaw nila makinig sa problema mo kasi sila mismo marami ding problema. Experience niya, may ganon ba? Dapat dating na sa school, yung problema niya lang lahat sinasabi sa iyo. Sabi mo, tama ka na, dami din sa amin, ba't dagdagan mo pa? Next is social connection. We should connect. Minsan we want to be alone. kailangan din natin makipag-connect, makipag-social, kailangan din natin to have a relationship with others. Talk to a friend, family, counselor, pastor, if you are feeling down or stressed. You should know that someone are there to listen to you or pray and meditate. Community involvement. Keep yourself busy. Help the community. Kasi alam nyo, mas maraming tao, mas marami pa silang problema sa inyo. Wala silang bahay, wala silang pagkaon, wala silang trabaho. Kung natulungan mo sila yung ideas, it will make you feel better. And bakit minsan doon tayo sa drama? Because nakikita natin may mga tao na mas miserable pa sa atin. Ay, hindi lang pala ako. No? Mas marami pa pala. Minsan, akala mo ikaw lang pinaka-unlucky person, but you are mukhang galing. Mas abok pa nga, unlucky person than you are. So, kung hindi pa rin kaya ng gano'n, professional help na talaga. So, may therapy, may counseling, may mga medications tayo na binibigay. No? So, iba-iba yung medications na yun. Pag minsan, nahiya tayo mag-ask help, di ba? Nahiya tayo mag-ask help sa mga tao. Pero kailangan, we need to ask help dahil kailangan din tulungan ng medications tayo. So nakikita natin yung mga struggles sa may mental health, tulungan natin sila. They are anxious, they are depressed, they are irritable, nagagalit palagi. And kung hindi natin tulungan sila, this can lead to problems. No? And tama, yung sabi ko kanina, yung stigma na sabihin ng mental consultation ka, nahiya ka. Kasabihin, ay nag-mental consultation yan. Pero dapat hindi ganun. Kasi sa US, natural na yan, na pag may problema, kayo go to a psychologist. It doesn't mean na pag pumunta ka sa doktor, may sakit ka sa ulo. Ha? But it's nice to ask that also. So, self-care tayo. Marunong tayo mag-sikasa sa sarili natin. Marunong tayo mag-alam-alam sa sarili natin. Marunong ka mo yan. Pat yourself on the back. I'm good. Kaya ko ito. Diba? Set boundaries. You don't have to accept all na invitations to you. Although ako nirapan din na I'm accepting all also. Paminsan, yung mga iba na hindi pa masyadong big, ay pwede naman i-refuse ninyo. Hindi ko kaya to, ito lang kaya ko. Kasi kung i-accept nyo lahat, mahirapan kayo. And you should deal with setback. Life is not really perfect. There are times na you win, there are times that you lose. And when you lose and when you fail, you have to accept that. No? Acceptance. No? It's okay to be bad at bad days, and it's okay. And sometimes you also good days. So, but anyway, you have to have a growth mindset. Every failure, everything that may not be good, you learn a lesson. Right? Oh, so, positive mindset. Maski negative siya, you get something positive out of it. You learn a lesson, and that is valuable. Maski nalugi ka, nawalan ka ng pera, you learn na ganito pala, gawin ko next time, hindi na ko. So, we are here, your pastors are here, your doctors are here to help you, your parents are there. I know that at young age, nahirap sila mag-communicate sa parents nila, nahiya sila. You have to overcome that. But your parents are there to help you most. I know it's natural na may gap tayo ng parents at a certain age, but as you grow old, you really have to accept your parents are your best friends. You have to ask, you have to talk to them about your concerns, because they are the best one to help you. The doctors, the pastors, they are here to help you also. So, I wish na ma-overcome nyo yung mga mental health struggles na to. Lahat tayo may ganon, but we need just to overcome and pray for it, that we can survive and we can grow up as best possible persons as you are. God bless you all.